Tucked into the popular Cider Mill neighborhood, this spacious carriage home blends comfort, style, and convenience. Just inside, French doors lead to a private office, perfect for work, study, or quiet focus. A comfortable living room centers around a cozy gas fireplace. Hardwood floors and oversized windows flood the main level with natural light. The eat-in kitchen offers granite countertops, a center island, and stainless steel appliances, a stylish and functional space for daily living. Upstairs, laundry is conveniently located to keep life running smoothly. The spacious primary suite features a vaulted ceiling, double vanity, soaking tub, and a generous walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath provide space for family, guests, or hobbies. The finished basement adds even more versatility, with a bonus room, guest bedroom, and full bath. Best of all, carriage homes on Summerfield mean no yard work. Enjoy your weekends on the expansive back deck, complete with an awning for shade and comfort. Or head to the lake, the mountains, or simply enjoy a no-maintenance weekend at home. This South Burlington gem checks all the boxes, close to the University of Vermont, the Burlington waterfront, shopping, and dining. Schedule your showing today and discover the ease of living at Cider Mill.